So in the last video we got the bottom end together, so now today we're going to put on the head and hopefully time it if we have enough time. So first things first, set this fucking thing up. Alright, we're going to put our studs in. Gonna run them down just like in the first video with the main studs, finger tight. What I already did is I wiped down the head and the deck surface with alcohol. I'm going to take our head gasket, our fancy custom made head gasket for the Mazdaspeed. You can see here that it has coolant restrictions, so if you're staring at a stock one, you can see there's big gaping holes there. Well, I've seen on more than one occasion the head gasket fail in that spot. So to eliminate that, we restricted coolant. And it does not affect the car in any way. So I'm going to grab our head. Without touching the deck surfaces we just cleaned. I'm going to slide it down over the studs. Very good push, make sure you're sitting down. We have all our nuts, or all our washers, excuse me. We have our nice thing of ARP lube. Remember, we're going to generously coat all these washers. Clean them all up. Nice and slippery and nice and lubed. Do one of these guys, get them all nice and lubed up. Generous amount on there. But not too much that it's dripping off, because then you're going to be unhappy when at the bottom of the oil pan you have a whole big clump of torque lube and spun bearings like I've seen in the past. So then we're going to go drop them on the studs. Then you take your nuts, schmutz it inside, not a lot, make sure you get that bottom edge too, all nice and lubed up so it spins freely. So now it's time to torque. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna start with this bolt right here. Go to this one, 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 this one. You're gonna spiral out. And that is the proper way to torque a head if you want to speed. I'm going to torque the ARP bolts to 90 foot-pounds. We're going to go 30, 60, 90 in that sequence. Now we're going to go back over and just make sure they are torqued. Now, some people say that when you go back over them like that, you're actually over torquing. Now, I'd agree with that if you didn't have torque lube in there. As you saw by some of them, they moved a little bit. It's just the lube setting in and doing its job. So I go back over on the final torque and just make sure they're all at the right spec.